What information can support a higher settlement in a personal injury insurance claim? A stronger settlement position usually comes from organized proof, not just a bigger demand. The insurance company is usually looking at fault, the connection between the incident and the injury, the full impact of the injury, and any defenses it might raise. Helpful fault evidence can include reports, photos, video, witness information, diagrams, repair estimates, or anything showing what the other person or business did wrong. Medical records are also important because they connect the injury to the event. Records from emergency care, follow-up visits, imaging, therapy, referrals, and work restrictions can help show the timeline and the seriousness of the injury. Bills, outstanding balances, lien information, lost wage proof, pay records, and employer verification can support the financial losses. Photos of injuries, property damage, the scene, or the hazard can also make the claim easier to understand. In North Carolina, insurers may focus closely on contributory negligence, which means they may argue that the injured person helped cause the accident. So a strong counteroffer should also explain why the injured person acted reasonably. Finally, daily life impact matters too, but it should be specific and truthful: what changed, how long it lasted, and what evidence supports it.